In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a search box in Microsoft Excel. This is a simple and practical feature that helps you quickly filter and find specific rows in your data without manually scrolling through everything. First, you will select your data table range, which in this example is cells A1 through B6. Take a moment to look at your spreadsheet and make sure the selection covers all the rows and columns that you want included in the table. This matters because Excel will use exactly this range to build the interactive table that your search box will filter. Once you have highlighted A1 to B6, you will press Ctrl+T on your keyboard. As you do this, Excel should open the Create Table dialog box. This step is important because it turns your selected data into a formal Excel table, and that table format is what enables the built-in search capability. Next, you will click OK to instantly turn your data into a table. When you click OK, you should see a table border or table styling appear around your selected data. You may also notice that Excel recognizes the first row as headers, which is a helpful detail for sorting and filtering. If your table headers are correct, you will be ready to use the search feature immediately. After your table is created, you will click the drop-down arrow in cell A1. This is the header cell for the first column in your table. Look at the top row of your table and find the small arrow next to the column header. Clicking that arrow opens the filtering menu for that column, and it is where Excel places the built-in search box. Now, once the menu is open, you will type your search term into the built-in search box. Use the value or keyword that matches the information you want to find in that column. As you type, Excel will narrow down the available options or results based on what it sees in your table. This is the moment where the search becomes quick and convenient, since you do not need to scan through every row manually. When you are finished entering your search term, you will click OK. Then Excel will instantly filter your rows to show only the records that match your search. Take a second to look at the table now on screen. You should see fewer rows displayed, with the entries matching your search term, while the rows that do not match are hidden from view. This approach is useful when you are working with lists like names, product codes, categories, or any other data where you want to locate matching records quickly. Because it is tied directly to your Excel table, your search and filtering remains organized and easy to manage. It is also repeatable, meaning you can use the same search method again whenever you need to find something else. And if your data changes later, you can update the table and continue using this same workflow to filter efficiently. The key point is that the search box is built into the table filter. So once you have converted your range into a table, the search experience is already there. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.